Coronaviruses are a large family of viruses that can cause respiratory illnesses such as the common cold, according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC). Most people get infected with coronaviruses at one point in their lives, but symptoms are typically mild to moderate. In some cases, the viruses can cause lower respiratory tract illnesses such as pneumonia and bronchitis. These viruses are common amongst animals worldwide, but only a handful of them are known to affect humans. Rarely, coronaviruses can evolve and spread from animals to humans. This is what happened with the coronaviruses known as the Middle East Respiratory Syndrome coronavirus (MERS-CoV) and the Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome coronavirus (SARS-CoV), both of which are known to cause more severe symptoms. How many people have the new virus? As of January 24, there are more than 830 confirmed cases and 26 deaths linked to the 2019 coronavirus virus in China, according to The Washington Post. How far has the virus spread? The first cases of the pneumonia-like virus were reported in Wuhan, China on December 31, 2019. Since then, the virus has spread to various other countries, including Thailand, Japan, the Republic of Korea and the United States. The first U.S. case was confirmed on January 21 in a man in Washington state who had recently traveled to Wuhan. On January 24, officials confirmed a second case in a woman from Chicago who had also recently traveled to the Chinese city. Both cases were hospitalized, but doing well, officials said. The CDC is also investigating more than 60 people in 22 states for a possible infection with the new virus, officials said Friday, January 24. 11 of those people have so far tested negative for the virus. Where did the virus come from? Since the virus first popped up in Wuhan in people who had visited a local seafood and animal market, officials could only say it likely hopped from an animal to humans. In a new study, however, researchers sequenced the genes of 2019 coronavirus, as the virus is now called, and then they compared it with the genetic sequences of more than 200 coronaviruses that infect various animals around the world. Their results, detailed in the Journal of Medical Virology, suggested that 2019 coronavirus likely originated in snakes. Can the virus spread between people? Yes, in limited cases, according to the CDC, but the primary mode of transmission seems to be from animal to human. In terms of how one would catch the virus, the CDC says that human coronaviruses are most commonly spread between an infected person and others via the air, from viral particles from a cough or sneeze. Close personal contact, touching or shaking hands. An object or surface with viral particles on it, then touching your mouth, nose or eyes before washing your hands. And rarely from fecal contamination.